First of all, go to File and choose Open. Select this drawing image, click Open. Generate a new layer, take the brush tool, make sure set the foreground color to white. Brush the white color around the drawing like this. Then go to Adjustment Layer options and choose Threshold Adjustment Layer. Increase the threshold level to 179. Now hold down the Shift button and select all of these layers. Then right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Select and choose Color Range. Select white as the background color. Increase the fuzziness and press OK. Hold down the Alt key and click on the Layer Mask button. Let's see the final result.